Facebook Reels option not showing easily and fast. Fix it. Hello guys, so all what you want to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode and then enable it and disable it again like this. Go back, click on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then search for Facebook and click on this update option if you didn't click on it. After you update your Facebook into the latest version, you will find the Reels option, as you can see, very easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.